Learn English and Kurdish with me. Today we are going to learn some English and Kurdish phrases together. These kind of phrases are very easy to learn with Kurdish and English. هەواڵێنێ جوان بخێر هاتن سەر قەنەڵا من. قەنەڵا زمانی ئینگلیزی و کوردی. ئەمە ئیرۆ هەنێک پەیوەک گۆتنێن کوردی فێر ببنە، هین ببنە، هوو ببنە بە عالەمینە. گەر هون حاضرن ئامادەن ئەم بە هەودرا دەست پێ بکەن. English and Kurdish phrases. First phrase is good morning. Good morning. Second is good night. Third is very good. Fourth, no problem. And fifth, be quiet. In English, good morning. In Kurdish, Beyanî baş. Beyanî baş. Un dikarin bêjin roj baş. In English, good night. That means in Kurdish, şev baş. In English, very good. In Kurdish, pir baş. Zor baş. In English, no problem. Kêşe tune. Kêşe nine. Ne müşkileye. It continues like that. Stand up. Rabe. Sit down. Rûne. Come here. Wêrelever. Go there. Biçe. Vedere. Yani biçe wira. Wait please. Bi kerema xwe ji kerema xwe bisekine. Or you can just say bisekine. Stand up. Sit down. Come here. Go there. Rabe. Rûne. Wêrelever. Biçe vedere. Biçe wira. Bisekine ji kerema xwe bisekine. As you learned that, there are some phrases. They are very easy to learn. Stand up, Rabe. Sit down, Rûne. Let's look at the other phrases in this lesson. Thank you. Spasticum. Excuse me. Min bibore. Bibore min. I understand. As têgihiştim. Min fehm kir. I forget. Min ji bîr kir. Yani ji dikarim bêjin ez ji bîr dikim. Call me. Telefona min bike. Thank you. Excuse me. I understand. I forget. Call me. Spas dikim. Bibore min fehm kir ez têgihiştim. Ez ji bîr kirim. Min bîr kir. Call me. Telefona min bike. Last page is also about the Kurdish phrases and English phrases. Help me. Alîkarî min bike. Don't worry. Be kêşe be. Be happy. Kêfxweş be. Baxtewar be. Sleep well. Xew baş. Xew xweş. Walk slowly. Hêdî bimeşe. Or you can say that hêdî meşe. Help me. Don't worry. Be happy. Sleep well. Walk slowly. هەواڵێن هێژا ez gelek spas dikim ji bo temaşakirina we. Bimênin kêf û xêr û xweşî de. Thank you very much for your watching. And see you next lesson. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this lesson.